This is the first ingredient. Second is the meat. I need to translate in English anyway, Chinese anyway. And the third one is the cheese Davide bought from his hometown. And this is the one we're gonna use as the base of what we're gonna use today. That's all. So we need to preheat the oven to 200 degrees. We are putting the meat inside the rustico. Now is our next perfect actress. What's this cheese, David?
Scamozza.
Scamozza. It's from his hometown. So this step is basically just... Okay, grazie. Close it. Yeah, close it. I think she also gonna need the fork. Okay, so we're gonna do this on the side first. And then, if I remember correct, yes, we're gonna do this. And then, some salt. Mini salt. Finito? Okay, finito! Let's just wait. Okay, can you open it over there? So I can shoot. The color is already a little bit different. It's a little bit yellow now, right? Yeah, let's do more time. Let's just wait. Is what we do before with the fox. Make it beautiful. What is that black paper? Oh. You can see the cheese is already melted and the meat is cooked. Yeah, that's all. This is today's video. See you guys.